How does globalization reshape business operations? This video navigates the profound influence of globalization on companies worldwide. Discover how interconnected markets redefine internal business strategies.
Globalization often leads to decentralization in business structures. Companies establish regional hubs to manage local markets effectively. Matrix structures facilitate communication across regions. These changes enable organizations to be agile and responsive. The global landscape demands structural adaptability. A diverse workforce emerges from globalization. Cross-cultural management becomes crucial for harmony. Talent mobility sees employees working internationally. Training focuses on global competencies and languages. These elements enhance creativity and innovation. Global sourcing reduces costs and enhances quality. Robust logistics ensure timely delivery and quality control. Risk management is vital due to political and economic fluctuations. Companies need strategies for supply chain disruptions. Effective management sustains competitiveness. Digital integration connects global operations seamlessly. Real-time communication fosters collaboration. Research and development drive competitiveness. Innovations are scaled globally for efficiency. Technology is at the heart of modern business strategies. Cultural integration is key in global businesses. Inclusivity and respect for diversity are promoted. A global mindset enhances teamwork and collaboration. Employees learn to appreciate varied perspectives. This cohesive culture supports global operations. Companies maintain high ethical standards. This ensures reputation and sustainable practices. Legal challenges are managed effectively for global success. Operational excellence is crucial in a global context. Outsourcing and offshoring are common practices. Balancing standardization and localization is key. Technology transfer enhances innovation. Global operations demand efficient production processes. Companies strive for quality and timely delivery. Adhering to global quality standards is essential. Quality assurance systems monitor production. Regular audits ensure consistency. Companies maintain high standards across locations. Quality control supports customer satisfaction and brand reputation. Efficient logistics are vital for global operations. Centralized distribution centers enhance speed. Inventory management systems track stock levels. Last-mile delivery meets customer expectations. Logistics ensure timely and cost-effective delivery. Zara strategies highlight global operational success. Technology drives global business integration. Communication tools enhance collaboration. ERP systems streamline operations. Cloud computing offers flexibility and scalability. Technology is pivotal in modern global strategies. Digital marketing reaches a global audience effectively. E-commerce platforms expand market reach. CRM systems enhance customer service. Personalization improves customer experience. Technology fosters strong customer relationships globally. Amazon exemplifies technology's role in global integration. Advanced communication tools connect teams worldwide. ERP systems streamline diverse operations. Big data analytics optimize supply chain management. Amazon strategies showcase technological success. Different leadership styles impact global operations. Transformational leadership fosters innovation. Laissez-faire encourages autonomy and creativity. Autocratic style ensures quick decision-making. Leadership styles must align with organizational goals. Centralized decision-making ensures consistency. Decentralized approaches empower local teams. Data-driven decisions enhance accuracy. Consensus-based methods foster collaboration. Decision-making strategies impact global success. Google's leadership inspires innovation and empowers. Transformational leadership inspires innovation. Decentralized decisions empower local offices. Data-driven approaches ensure informed choices. Google strategies illustrate effective global management. Technology enhances global business integration. Communication tools enable real-time collaboration. Cloud solutions provide operational flexibility. IoT devices improve supply chain transparency. Technological advancements drive global success.
In conclusion, understanding the impacts of globalization is vital for sustainable growth. Globalization profoundly reshapes business operations, making effective strategies in structure, management, and technology essential. Companies such as Unilever, Zara, and Amazon exemplify global success. To thrive in the international marketplace, businesses must remain adaptable and forward-looking. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us on WhatsApp at 07 48436 1688.